You have exactly 90 seconds. That is the time it takes for a buyer to pull into your driveway, look at your landscaping, and decide if they are going to offer you full price or start looking for red flags. In 2026, with inventory in Alpharetta up 33%, buyers aren't just looking for a house, they are looking for a reason to move to the next one. Today, I'm showing you the strategist's secret, how to spend less than $1,000 to signal meticulous maintenance and outmaneuver the competition. I'm Irina Averyanov, and let's turn your curb appeal into cold, hard equity. One of the most common questions I get is, does a dirty driveway really matter if I have 100,000 kitchen? The answer is absolutely. In a selective market, buyers equate a dirty exterior with a deferred maintenance inside. The windows. Professional window cleaning is your highest ROI. In high-definition real estate photography, clean glass makes the home look vacation-ready. The concrete. Pressure washing your driveway and sidewalk isn't just about dirt. It's about brightening the path to the door. It makes the home feel new even if it is 20 years old. The front door is the handshake of the home. The paint. In 2026, we are seeing a shift from agreeable gray. High contrast colors like tricorn black or deep navy net the highest seller premiums right now. The hardware. If your handle set is pitted or dated gold, replace it with matte black or brushed nickel. It's a tactile win. The buyer feels the quality the moment they touch the handle. It's May. The Georgia heat is coming. If your mulch is faded and your flowers are wilting, you look like a lazy seller. The black mulch secret. Avoid red mulch. Use dark brown or black. It provides a luxury contrast that makes your grass look greener and your home look more expensive. Symmetrical planters. Two large identical pots with fresh greenery at the entrance frame the house and signal high-end design for very little cost. People ask me, will I actually see these $1,000 back? In a 3.6 months of supply market, curb appeal isn't just about price, it's about velocity. Superior curb appeal reduces your days on market. Remember the local family I mentioned? We got 5 offers in 2 days with $0 renovation budget because we focused on these exact presentation details. We didn't remodel, we managed the friction. Don't guess where to spend your money. If you're a downsizer looking for your next chapter or a family trying to beat the June 15th school deadline, I'm on a mission 50 and I want to help you allocate your budget where it actually nets you a return. Click the link below for my summer seller checklist and book your strategic equity audit. And don't forget, I'll see you May 17th at our spring family event. Let's talk strategy while the kids play. I'm Irina Averyanov and I'll see you at your move.